In this video, we are going to make 3 kinds of drinks using honey marinated lemon. We like these drinks because apart from being very refreshing, they provide rich vitamin C and enhance our immune systems. The ingredients we used are lemon, honey, and salt. We start with some fresh lemons. We got ours from the store, so we will use some salt to rub out any applied wax on the peel. After fully rubbing the lemons, add boiled water until the water can cover the lemons and let them rest for about 15 minutes, and then rinse them in fresh water. Next, cut the lemon into thin slices and then remove any seeds from the slices. After the slices are ready, cut them further into halves and put them into a sterilized jar. The size of the jar depends on the amount of lemon you have. Once all the lemon is in the jar, pour in honey until all the lemons are submerged. Once the lemons are covered, make sure the container is closed tightly and then flip the container ups and down so that the honey marinates the lemon close to the opening when you take them out. The marination takes about at least 12 hours to fully blend the honey and lemon juice, but marinating longer is even better. This jar will be good to use for about 3 months. The first drink we'll be making is a fizzy lemon soda. First, add some ice to each cup. Then we take out some slices and pour some of the honey lemon juice onto each. The amount of juice you want to add determines the sweetness of the drink. You can garnish the drink with some sliced fresh strawberries and mint sprigs for extra color and flavor. Finally, pour in some club soda or sparkling water. Stir the drink so that the honey lemon juice is well distributed.
How is it?
On a hot day or slow afternoon, we like to drink this as a thirst quencher. The next drink is a warm lemonade. Just add hot water but not boiling water to marinated lemon and juice. I like to drink this early in the morning because this helps to clean and promote my digestion and helps to remove toxins. If you are sensitive to acidity, be cautious in drinking this in the morning. For the last drink, we will brew a lemonade pu'er tea. We make the pu'er tea first. Just add boiling water to the tea and let it sit for about 3 minutes, or longer if you want a stronger tea. Pour out the tea into a jar and add some water to it if it is too strong. Let it cool completely. You can prepare the tea the day before and store it in the refrigerator. When the tea is cooled down, add some ice to your serving cup and then add the marinated lemon juice. You can garnish with strawberry slices or other fruits if you like. Lastly, pour in the tea. We use this tea because we are not coffee drinkers. For those who are looking for a good alternative to drinking coffee, this drink will boost your afternoons when you are feeling low.